So I used to think that selling was like super gross. Like sales and selling was super, super, super nasty. Like I had this like gross impression of salespeople and selling. And part of that is because I have a fear of car salesmen, which I think came from Matilda, that movie, and her dad. So that's a conversation for a different day. But I had always thought that sales were gross. That selling things was not something I wanted to do, not something I was good at. But here's the dealio, pickle. If you're a business owner, you gotta sell. You gotta sell stuff. You have to. You have things for sale, you've got to sell them. And so you have to get really comfortable with selling as a business owner. And if you're someone who is wanting to start a YouTube channel to further your brand or grow a business or whatever, you probably have to get pretty good with selling on video. So I want to tell you like my foolproof script to help you sell anything with a YouTube video. Hey, howdy, hey, y'all, what is up? My name is Jessica and I am pumped that you are here. Someone the other day on one of my other videos was like, you said, hey, howdy, hey, y'all, and you don't say that enough anymore. And I was like, I am so sorry. I will make sure I say it more. So, hey, howdy, hey, y'all. Before I get into this like really good script that you're gonna wanna write every step down so that you can sell with your YouTube videos, I need to tell you about a masterclass that I'm hosting literally like 2 days from now. So on Tuesday, May 23rd at 1 p.m. Eastern, I am teaching a masterclass completely free to teach you how to get your first or next 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. I'm gonna talk about what people who start on YouTube do wrong that leads to not growing and all the things so that you can avoid those mistakes. I'm gonna teach you how to get those first 1,000 subscribers, and I'm gonna teach you what is working on YouTube right now. I'd love to come have you hang out with me. It's gonna be a party, it's gonna be fun. You can go to heyjessica.com/YouTube masterclass to sign up for that, and that is going down in just a few days, so don't sleep on that link, okay? I'll make sure it's linked below in the description too. Okay, so before I turn you on to the script, let me just say one thing super, super, super disclaimery, okay? Like asterisk, it's asterisk, but I don't know anybody who actually says asterisk, so we're gonna say asterisk. Anyway, star thing, disclaimer. You should not be selling on every single YouTube video. Actually, you shouldn't be selling on most YouTube videos. Like 20% of the time you can sell something. The rest of the time, your call to action should be something on the platform. You should not be using the script to sell things more than about 20% of the time. And selling is anything that sends people off the YouTube platform. A freebie, a webinar, a course, like whatever, okay? So heed this warning. Y'all, I'm pulling up my notes on my phone for this video and I just need to talk about this case. This is not sponsored. This is not even, I don't even know that I have an affiliate link, but if I do, I'll link it below. This is a Wally case. Oh, hold on. And it has like a little wallet section here, and I've had one before because they're cool because they have the loop and you can like hold it like this and there's like a little wallet section and that's cool enough, right? But I carry one of those like wristlet wallet things that's like really small. I don't have it in here, I'd show you. And these new ones have this little thing on them and you can hook the little wristlet to it. And now when I go through the grocery store, I can like carry all my things with my phone. Well, I was pulling up my notes. I thought I'd tell you about that. I'll link it below. It's called a Wally case. All right, so the first part of this script is not actually part of the script, but it's definitely important. And that is that you need to make sure that you have a good topic, title, and thumbnail for the video you're going to sell in that people want to watch even if you don't sell to them, even if they don't buy from you. That they're gonna get value out of even if they don't purchase the thing or sign up for the thing or whatever. So what I mean by this is a lot of times I'll see people just do a dedicated video like, I launched this thing, go buy it. Y'all, that's not it. That's not it. That ain't it, okay? What you need to do is create content for your audience that's truly helpful and is going to help them in whatever they're trying to do, and then slip the sale into it. Like, just kind of slip it in there, because it's a helpful part of what you're trying to tell them to do. For instance, this video, if you clicked on this video and you want to know the secret script to selling anything with a YouTube video, odds are you'd probably like to come to my masterclass. Like, those are the same people. If this video was about the Rode, I don't know, what mic is this? The Sony, this little furry mic thing, and then I slipped in a thing about my webinar, that's not gonna make a lot of sense, right? But because I'm talking specifically about YouTube strategy, and I'm telling you there's a workshop where you can go further with that, it's a really easy, natural thing. But you have to attract them first with a good topic, a good title, a good thumbnail, so that they're actually gonna feel like they got value out of the video, whether or not they sign up for the thing you're promoting. All right, this is a 5-part script, okay? And part 1 is that you want to hook them. This is the same whether you're selling something or not, but you wanna hook them. You wanna be like, hey, I'm gonna talk about something really cool and you're gonna wanna keep watching this video, and then I'll tell you about all the other things, because the hook is so freaking important, and it's where I see people messing up like all the time anyway, but you have to hook them. You have to get them to want to watch the rest of the video. If they don't want to watch the rest of the video, if the first 3 to 5 to 10 seconds of the video are boring or are something that they don't care about, then they're gonna dip out. They're never gonna make it to the point where you sell to them, or you promote your thing, or you even give them the information they came for. So you've got to hook them, and that is part 1 of this script. Make it so intriguing and so interesting to them that they have to stick along for the next part of the video. And by the way, guys, I did everything I'm talking about in this video, so you can go back and watch this video to see what I'm talking about if you need a real life example. Okay, second part, you want to introduce yourself. So hook them and then introduce yourself, not the other way around. So many times I see people be like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jessica. I'm so pumped that you're here. Today we're going to talk about, but no, that doesn't hook anybody. You got to hook them. Then you can introduce yourself. You got to make them like you. You got to put your pheromones out into the world. You got to, do your little dance, do a little jig. And then you can be like, hi, I'm Jessica. Hi, I'm Sarah. Hi, I'm Bob. Like whatever. You do want to introduce yourself because there's a chance that some of the people that are watching your video don't subscribe to you, and you want them to feel like that you care about them too, or they're not going to sign up for this thing that you're promoting either. So we're hooking and then we're introducing ourselves. Third part of the script is to actually promote what you want to promote as a way to help them do the thing they're about to learn about. Again, rewind back to the beginning of this video. I was like, hey, if you are here wanting to learn about the YouTube script, odds are you're going to like my masterclass. Bing, bang, boom, right? That's how I did that. That was step 3 of this script. I'm gonna promote it as a natural thing that the people who are watching this video are going to want more of, okay? 4, you're gonna then give the meat and the potatoes of the video. Again, this is not a video that's just promoting the thing you're talking about. You are actually giving them value. You're actually giving them a topic they wanna know about. You're actually presenting information. And this is when you do that. Now, if while you're delivering the meat and the potatoes, it naturally comes up that they should come to this masterclass or they should do this thing you're wanting them to buy or whatever, slip it in there. So if I'm talking about something, I can be like, I'm gonna talk about that on my masterclass on Tuesday. Remember, links in the description. And I don't have to go through my whole spiel again, but it's really natural that it comes up. If it doesn't come up, don't do that, don't force it. Okay, and then the 5th part of this script is to outro your video and promote your thing again, while also using your end screen to link to it or, show them more things or whatever. So this could look a ton of different ways. This could be like, okay, now you have learned everything about this YouTube script that you need to know. Don't forget to come join me at this masterclass. It's gonna help you a ton. It's heyjessica.com/YouTube masterclass. And I could even have like a little screenshot showing up here of like the form that you're gonna fill out or whatever. I could also have the end screen pop up and have like the link to go sign up for the thing. But either way, in my outro, I want to promote the thing that I need to promote. So you're not only promoting it at the beginning in step 3, but you're also promoting it at the end in step 5. You're gonna round up the video, you're gonna tie it up with a nice little bow, and you're gonna present again the opportunity for them to do this thing. And that's it. It is super freaking easy. Again, if you do this every single time, y'all, people are gonna leave. They're gonna be like, nope, I am getting sold to way too much. Even if it's a freebie every single time. Nope, absolutely not. 1, you're gonna make the YouTube algorithm mad, and we don't wanna do that. 2, you're gonna make your people mad, and you don't wanna do that either. So hook them, introduce yourself, introduce the thing you're promoting, give them the meat and potatoes, and outro the video with another promotion of the thing. When I tell you that not hooking people in the beginning of videos and doing this too much, especially from business owners, promoting their stuff too much, are some of the biggest mistakes that I see on YouTube. I'm not even playing. And if you want to learn more mistakes that YouTubers are making or people on YouTube are making, you're probably going to want to come to my YouTube Masterclass on Tuesday. heyjessica.com/YouTube Masterclass, because I'm going to teach you some mistakes that people make that you can avoid. Do you see what I did there? All right, that's it. You have everything you need. It is all here for you. You're going to go out and be a selling machine. No Matilda's dad here. We're going to do this in a really organic, fun way and make these videos really awesome, even if the people don't buy from us, right? Pinky promise. So as I end this video, there will be a link popping up over here to allow you to click it to go sign up for the YouTube Masterclass. And if you want to learn how to get your first or next 1,000 subscribers super fast, how to avoid the mistakes, what is working, and how you can use YouTube to grow your business like whoa, you're going to want to sign up to that. All right. See y'all next time. Bye, y'all.